Well, we've got some absolute breaking news. Enya has given birth so far to, and it is breaking news, these little chicks, 2 chicks, 3 chicks so far. It's quite exciting. I've put the little pen down in the garden, but they are just staying invisible, like they're pretending to freeze. This is 1, 2, 3 there, look. This is the hand of my vet, Sarah. She lives on the chateau grounds. Make it as I go along.
Yeah.
And they are beautiful, look. It's literally just happened. This is unbelievable. He's the culprit. Yeah.
Levelling out the old barn floor from where I used to keep the rare breed herd. It's full of this really beautiful, dried, nutritious cow crap. So I'm levelling this floor out because I'm going to need a lot more topsoil and a lot more bedding and a lot more just food for all these plants and crops. So I'm going to level out this, dig it all up, and then it's going to give me some free compost. Why not just try and recycle what we've got on the farm? You know, good French chateau soil. It's probably had some Charolais crapping in this soil. Gorgeous. It's royal stuff.
Come along, catch a heifer lump, sit with me on a muddy clump. We'll sing a song of days gone by. Run along now, don't be glum. Get you gone now, have some fun. Don't be long for the end is nigh. Don't let moments pass along and waste before your eyes. March with me in the borough groves, come with me in the slidey toes, and never ask us why. Come along. safe from greed, anger and boredom. We'll dance and sing till sundown and feast with abandon. We'll sleep when the morning comes and we'll rise by the sound of the bird song. We'll be here when the world slows down and the sunbeams fade away, keeping time by a pendulum as the fabric starts to fray. There's no such thing as time to kill nor time to throw away. So once for the bright